Thank you very much for joining. Today's lesson is one of my favorite songs, classic G-Love and Special Sauce, When We Meet Again, off of the Yeah, It's That Easy album. Old school. If you haven't heard that album, I highly recommend it. A lot of great songs on that one. So we're going to go through this one. I'm doing it finger picking style. You can strum it if you'd like. I like the finger picking version of it. So we'll go over the chords, the progression, and that little chorus fill as well. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And let's hop in. Alright, so for When We Meet Again, we're going to start on this little D here. We're just going to do, it's basically just kind of a two walk downs. Basically, we're walking down with our D and then with a C. So we start here. So we're not playing the high E, so we just have our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B and index finger on the 2nd fret of the G. We've got an open D string. So with our thumb and index, first move, we're going to pluck the D and the B. And after we pluck, we'll have the middle finger hit the G, and the index will hit the B. We're going to keep this D shape. We'll use our pinky finger here on the 4th fret of the A, and we'll pluck the A and the B. So, and then after that pluck, we will hit an open A. So all that together. Okay. Now we're going to move our index finger over to the 2nd fret of the A. We'll keep our ring finger here on the 3rd fret of that D. On the 3rd fret of that B. This makes kind of a B sharp minor chord of some sort. Okay, so we'll pluck the A and the B on this one. And then we'll pluck the A and the B with the A string open. So all that together. Okay. Here we're going to go to a C. Have our C shape here. So we will pluck the A and the B string. Middle finger will hit the D, and index will hit the B. Okay. Now we'll move our middle finger over to the 2nd fret of that A string. Index finger stays where it is. We'll pluck those. Then we'll move the middle finger over to the 2nd fret of the D, making an A minor shape. We'll pluck the A and the B. Then we'll hit the D string with our middle finger there. And index hits the B like we've been doing. And we end here on this G. So we've got our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, and then an open B string. Alright, so all that together. That's the verse that you play. That's the entire way. So we got this chorus part here. Really cool. I'll play through it for a second here. And we'll do that 3 separate times. This is a really cool bass line, basically. So starting on that 3rd fret of the low E, then open A, 2nd fret of the A. 2nd fret of the D, sliding into the 4th fret. Okay? Then you're going back to that 2nd, then pulling off, then to the 2nd fret of the A, 3rd fret, 2nd, open, 3rd of the E. Alright, and that is it. So we'll play through it here one more time. Alright guys, there you have When We Meet Again. Thank you all for watching. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you again soon.